Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into AI and what it means for the future of technical writing and IT.
Sounds pretty intense.
Yeah, it is. There's this article by senior technical writer Curt Robbins,
Yeah.
and it really digs into this topic.
Oh, I know Curt Robbins.
Yeah,
He's worked with some big names, right?
yeah,
FedEx, Microsoft, even Wells Fargo, if I remember correctly.
yeah. You got it. And he's seen how technology changes things,
Yeah.
from the inside.
So what's he saying? Is AI going to take our jobs?
Well, he gets right to that point. A lot of people are worried about that.
I mean, can you blame him? AI writing code, doing reports? It's kind of freaky.
Yeah, it is. But Robbins, he says we should think of AI as a partner.
A partner. Interesting. How so?
Well, think about technical writing. You're working on a big software manual. AI could help you get that first draft out.
Uh-huh.
Even translate it into like different languages, save a ton of time.
Oh, I see. So then the technical writer can focus on making it really clear and engaging for the reader.
Exactly. It's about strategy, making sure it really works for people.
So AI handles the boring stuff, and the writer gets to be more creative.
Exactly. Robbins even thinks technical writers might become more like user experience architects for documentation.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. And for IT, Robbins says, imagine AI constantly watching your network, analyzing stuff,
Okay.
and like predicting problems before they even happen.
Whoa, that's some next level stuff.
It is. It's like proactive IT. No
Yeah.
more running around putting out fires all the time.
More time for, improving things, planning for the future.
Exactly. Focus on the big picture.
Yeah.
But I got to ask, what about the downsides?
Right, because nothing's perfect, right?
Exactly.
So what does Robin say?
He's honest about the challenges.
Yeah.
AI can get things wrong.
Oh, for sure.
And sometimes it's hard to understand how it makes decisions.
Like a black box, right?
Yeah, like a black box.
And that can be a problem, especially if we're talking about important, technical stuff.
Right. So you still need human experts to double check everything.
And to make sure it's used ethically. That's huge.
Absolutely. Robbins really stresses that for technical writers.
Yeah.
Even if AI drafts something, got to review it carefully, make sure it's accurate.
So it's like AI is a super powerful assistant, but you're still the boss.
Yeah, exactly. But to be a good boss, Robbins says you need new skills.
Okay. Like what?
He talks about prompt engineering.
Oh.
Have you heard of that?
Maybe. Not sure.
It's basically learning how to talk to AI.
Oh, interesting. Like giving it the right instructions.
Yeah. So it understands what you want and gives you the best results.
Makes sense. So you got to kind of think like the AI does.
Right. And he mentions some specific tools too, like Gitbook for content creation and
Yeah.
Adobe Firefly for images and stuff.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of those. Pretty cool how they're using AI to help, not just replace.
Exactly. And for IT, he says, get good with AI frameworks, like how to put them into your systems.
Makes sense. You got to know how it works, not just use it blindly.
Right. So what Robbins is saying is the impact of AI, it really depends on us.
How we use it, right? Not just the tech itself.
Exactly. It's not magic, and it's not something to be scared of.
More like a tool we got to learn to use responsibly.
I like that.
Hmm.
So I think we've covered a lot here.
Yeah, from fear of losing jobs to AI being a partner and all the challenges that come with it.
Complex, that's for sure.
But definitely exciting too.
Yeah, definitely.
Robbins is really optimistic about this whole AI thing. It's kind of contagious.
I get that. It's like all this potential. It's hard not to get excited.
Right. He sees AI and human creativity kind of coming together. And it's not a battle. It's like a team effort.
Yeah, like AI gives us superpowers or something.
Yeah.
Imagine all that knowledge, all that processing power, helping us do things we could never do alone.
Exactly. And he gives some pretty cool examples, like in research and development, AI can analyze tons of data, find patterns we might miss, and come up with insights that would take us forever to figure out.
Wow, so we're talking about faster scientific discoveries, medical breakthroughs, anything that uses data, really.
Yeah, pretty much. AI does the heavy lifting, and we provide the context, the critical thinking, the ethics. It's a pretty powerful combo.
It is, but it's not just about like high-level research. Robbins also talks about how AI is changing how we learn.
Right. This is where it gets really interesting, especially for people who love learning new stuff. Think about it. Personalized learning platforms that adapt to how you learn best.
Okay, that's kind of cool. Like AI figures out your strengths and weaknesses and tailors the content just for you.
Exactly. And it could give you feedback as you go, like having your own personal tutor. No more one-size-fits-all kind of stuff.
Wow, no more boring lectures. That would be awesome.
Right. And this personalized learning, it could go beyond just school. Like AI-powered mentorship platforms that connect you with experts in your field.
So anyone, anywhere could have a virtual mentor. That's incredible.
Yeah, and it's not just about getting the knowledge, it's also about using it. AI can help us make better decisions, like with our money, our careers, even our health.
So instead of being overwhelmed with all the information out there, AI helps us filter it, make sense of it, and make smarter choices.
Exactly. It's like having an AI advisor helping us navigate life's crazy maze. And as AI gets better, it'll understand us even more, so you can expect even better guidance.
This all sounds really promising. But what about the downsides? I mean, could we become too reliant on AI to make decisions for us? And what about bias?
Yeah, those are definitely things to think about. And Robbins addresses them. He says we got to be careful. Understand AI's limits and watch out for unintended consequences.
Right, like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us.
Exactly. And that brings us back to human judgment, ethics, and having those tough conversations as we integrate AI more into our lives. We got to be proactive, thoughtful, and part of the conversation.
And that's what we're doing here, right?
Yeah.
Exploring AI's potential in technical writing and IT, both the work itself and the skills we need to succeed.
Yeah. Well, one thing Robbins really emphasizes is accuracy. AI can be super smart, but it can still make mistakes, get things wrong.
Especially with technical stuff, right?
Yeah.
A small mistake could have big consequences.
Exactly. Like, imagine a technical writer using AI to write about, I don't know, a safety procedure. If the AI messes up, it could be really bad.
Yeah, you can't just blindly trust AI with everything. It's about using it to help us, to make us better, but we got to be there to double check, make sure it's right.
Exactly. And that kind of leads to another challenge Robbins talks about, AI being a black box.
Yeah, I've heard that term. What does it mean?
Basically, it means we don't always know how AI gets its answers.
Oh, I see. It gives us a result, but we don't know the process, the data it used, the logic behind it.
Right.
And more than anything, we hope you're thinking about how AI might impact your world, what you can do to be ready for it.
Because the future of AI, it's not something that just happens. We're all part of creating it.
And that's pretty exciting, don't you think?